Okay, Fam's garden.
Yeah, this right here is gonna,
Young black
I'm
men doing great things. Doing quarantine. Okay, what's going on
okay,
here?
so right here I'm gonna have a worm breeding bed.
Oh,
So they can
okay.
bed there. Right there, we got to we gotta get a pipe to go through so the water can filter out when it rains, because that's gonna be where the turtles be at. So we're gonna have that, and then I cleared all this out. So I'm gonna have a chicken coop over there. And so over here, you got my potatoes. My potatoes coming out. There's an eye right there, and some eyes over here.
That's so cute.
They just now started. Cause I just started planting all this stuff like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. My sage, it came back. That's from last year.
Oh, this looks nice. So you built this right here. That's the sage.
I think that's okay. Turnip root.
Turnip root.
Yeah, and I think that's another turnip root right there, just a different type. And that's peppers. Those are some habaneros.
He has a green thumb. Charlie has a green thumb.
Yeah, and these grew back from last year too. This is rosemary, and I got the mint. I'm trying to see if the mint's gonna grow back. I gotta pull.
I got lots of chocolate mint and stuff. I can give you some of that because I got loads of that going. There's the kitty cat.
I haven't even pulled my weeds yet. I gotta feed my
yeah, because things grow fast here. That's what's so cool. That's what.
And over here I got my bean sprouts. I got I'm trying to grow some more black eyed peas, but this is mainly black bean, but I got some black eyed peas up in there. This is lima bean, and then I have blackberry right here.
Oh, cool.
On the other side, I'm gonna grow some peppers.
And you did something right here. I call this
sugar cane in there. It hasn't came out yet.
I call this naturescape. I love naturescape because you feel the land and then you just naturescape.
Yeah, because I'm just waiting.
There's some chamomile.
I pulled all of it up and dried it. It's good for tea. So I have a lot of that. It was tomatoes over there, but I took all that down because I'm gonna start growing beans across this fence. So
got lots of land to grow
and
food.
I'm growing sugar cane over there too. I
gotta get some of the sugar cane. How do you grow the sugar cane?
You could either first you gotta soak it in like a bucket or something and let the sprouts come out.
Really?
But this time I just put it inside the ground because I didn't have time for it. So I just put them in the ground, and sooner or later they're gonna have sprouts come out of the sides of them. And the other one you can put inside the ground, and the sprouts sooner or later will come out of the ground. But I'm just patiently waiting. That's what you gotta do. And back there I have some peppers. They haven't came out yet.
Here, let me see the peppers.
Yeah, peppers are back here.
Hey, here's a kitty cat.
These are jalapeno peppers. Yeah.
See, this is what we do because we got an acre back there, Xavier. Till we move.
It's rained, so a lot of stuff done fell in here, but it's
that's
jalapenos
cool.
planted in lines over here. I'm just waiting for those to come out. I did that yesterday.
Oh, that's cool. I like how you did this. And I want to get some. I'll give you some collards. So I got going. I got lots of collards.
Yeah, that's why I dumped all the dirt. It's red clay. You don't want to really grow on red clay. It's too tight. You got to have a way that the plants can filter through the dirt. Red clay will grow with different things, but the dirt's tight. You want it to breathe, so your plant will grow quicker.
That's awesome, Charlie.
So I'm gonna try to, grow more things out here, get more done. I want to get some raspberries and plant them out here and stuff, but it's taking time.
That's right. Well, this is a process. You just keep on. And look like you had some fig trees. Something looked like a fig tree was trying to grow somewhere.
Yeah, that's a fig. I planted it. That's a fig tree right there.
Where? Isn't this one too?
No, this is.
Oh, right
I
here.
believe this is the one. It's a fig.
Okay.
Took it off it's a clone. I took it off the tree.
Okay.
No, this isn't a fig.
I thought this was it. Is this it?
I don't know. That's probably it. I planted one around here, but I can get a clone off the tree and just put it in the ground. It'll grow.
There's so much medicine around here. So we're going in the swamp to get dandelion and to make some dandelion chlorophyll that I'm excited about, and some tinctures Like I said, we love to make everything fresh, straight from nature. Just nature, love, and community. So stay tuned. We'll have some dandelion chlorophyll along with our wheatgrass and kudzu. Dandelion is very good for the liver. So this is Dr. Greensoe Azalea in nature, her favorite place in the universe. Okay, so we're in the swamp in the back with the boys getting some dandelion for the liver. And there's so much other medicine here just growing wild.
Filled up so I can't get across.
Oh yeah, you see it all over there.
Usually I can get across, but right now it's full. So
in every swamp there's alligators, I swear to God.
Oh, my trail goes it goes to the pond. It's right here. You just gotta follow me.
So we just gotta put our boots on for the dandelion.
Yeah, because the rain has flooded it. So.
The rain has flooded it, so we have to wait a little bit for the dandelion, but we'll have it soon. Yeah, it did. It did. And the stay tuned.
When we go past the tree that falls, it's like a whole creek going, running creek, a big gigantic with loud water and everything.
Wow, the air out back here is fresh in the swamp. It's like the breathing is so different right here. It's like amazing. Amazing. Now this is how you quarantine. This is amazing. Right up in here. I love it. Look how peaceful it is. The breathing. I gotta do my breathing exercises in here. It's amazing. I love it.
I'm looking cold whenever. I come out here all the time.
Yeah, this is the magic place. The magical place. That's. Yep, and the kitty followed us. How beautiful. It's flooded, but we're trying to we'll get the dandelion. You guys look at this beautiful place. Oh my God, I just absolutely love it. My breathing is totally different. I feel like protected by the trees, by Mother Earth. I love it. We're in the swamp and we're picking dandelion right now to make dandelion chlorophyll up in here, but the water has kind of flooded a little bit, and that's okay because there's lots of medicine in the swamp. Oh, love it. This is Greensoe Azalea in the swamp with all the medicine for the people. Wow.
They can get real big.
So you said it's something out there. You said it's 10 feet.
Yeah, the water's 10 feet.
And you said what's in there?
I don't know, but it's big.
How big you think it is?
I don't know, because when it moves, the water goes with it like, the water moves like, makes splashes.
Really?
Yeah, we thought it was a snapping turtle, but then we thought about it. It was like, if it's a snapping turtle, why has it got a piece down there? Like, it's big. Whatever is moving, it got a fin, so it'll probably be a big, gigantic fish, but I can't catch it.
You gotta make sure it's not alligators. I'm telling you.
I fell in there before, and I had to swim because my feet weren't touching the ground in the middle of it.
Wow.
So I tried to climb over the thing and fish from the middle, and I had fell in the middle of it.
Wow. Now we gotta know what this creature is. Amazing. They found a shark that was over 392 years old. Xavier said it looks like the ground is breathing because of water, because it is. It's the veins.
These woods are magical.
Oh, look.
I'll tell you that right now.
Look, these woods are magical. I said they're magical.
It's mushrooms back here.
Mushrooms. Oh, beautiful tree.
That it looked like it was spinning around in here.
Yeah.
Like, it looked like it was switching around. The woods were switching around.
Yeah.
So I had to look at my GPS.
Now this is for the lady in neighborhood that talked about our young black boys that that are aggressive. These are young black men that are growing their food and learning about nature. And I'm tired of people putting them in a negative light. Turn that aggressiveness into positivity. That's all. Be the change and stop being the problem. Okay, so Charlie believes that there is elves that live in here. Why you say that, Charlie?
I just believe it is, because I mean, I just hear them back here. I hear them following me and everything.
Wow.
They're back here.
Now, if you are, we love you.
Because it's little itty bitty trails. It's like trails around here, and they're real tiny. And you'll see it moving, and you know it's nothing else like this one. You can see it right here. It's like a little trail.
You're right.
You see it?
Yeah, I do. I do see it.
Yep. So I believe it's elves and everything back here. There's a lot of stuff back here.
This is a magical forest, I have to say.
At night, it's like, it looks like little stars back here. It's light back here. I just don't go back here because I hear noises and stuff at night, like screaming. I hear a lot of stuff back here. So I don't come back here.
Yeah, to come here. I'll come back here at nighttime. That's when everything comes out. We gotta do that. That rocks.
They got two sides. You know.
So, what do you say is back here?
The crystals. Everywhere.
Little crystals everywhere. Oh my God.
Water flows down the hill.
And you make your necklaces with this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, can I have these?
Yeah.
Let me see. Those are in the ground.
There's plenty of them around here.
Wow.
They're usually under the tree stump.
They're under the tree
or
stump.
where the water runs at. You'll see like a water trail.
Oh, look at this, you guys. They are. They're crystals. And
I found the pure black one. I found the purple one before.
Oh, you found a purple amethyst?
Yep.
Wow.
Purple one.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Now this is history right here. Wow. Look at this, you guys. The crystals are, look at this one right here. I found pyrite the other day in the ground when we went up to the mountains. Wow. Thank you, Creator. That's amazing. What kind of moss is that? That's for what?
I put it in my turtle cage. They like it. It's very aquatic. It stays where a lot of water is.
Ah, well, it makes sense.
You see how different it looks?
Yeah, you're right.
It's not the same.
You're right. And so your turtle loves it. And you said you find a lot of turtles back here, Charlie?
Oh, yeah. I just put them back, though, because that's where they stay.
That's
I have a few up here because they're poop. Yeah. It's good for worms, and I put it in the worm bed, and the worms will eat it and make tea for the plants. It'll make, what's it called? Manure tea or something. It makes tea for the plants.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
That's wonderful.
You have tea from your, and if you have like trims from your leaves and stuff, that'll make, you can make tea with that too for your plants.
Awesome. Yeah. I found a big crystal.
I found more.
Look.
Look at these. There's a whole bunch of them over here.
I found a big crystal. Let me see. Where's some more?
Yeah,
plenty of them. Enough for everybody.
See how the wood breaks down? I use this for plants. Use it in my garden.
Oh, look at that. Look at all that vines going, guys, too. Look at that, Charlie. What is this?
They're vines. They're strong, too.
Now, where's the other crystals at?
Right here.
Oh, wow. Why are they by the trees like this?
I don't know. It's like something cooks them on them.
Wow.
When I go back there,
that's
a lot of times, the sticks get stacked against the trees.
Really?
Yeah. Whatever's back there cleans up the woods because the sticks be stacked.
Look at that. There's lots of crystals up in here. Wow. Wow, this has been a great visit.
Plenty.
And we end this journey today with magic. Oh. Yes. The gatekeeper. Hey, Magic. Love you. You rock. You rock. Yeah. So, goodbye, everybody. Oftentimes, we never look up. But when you look up and below, You see so much of creation's magic, of love and light. Just listen. Everything we need is in nature.